Hey there, jewelry maker. Do you want to add wire weaving to your skill set? If the answer to that question is yes, then this channel's for you because wire weaving mastery begins right here at Door 44 Studios. My name is Wendy and I'm the wire weaver behind Door 44. I love to teach, and I've found that the best way to teach wire weaving is through clear instruction using simple modular designs. I strive to create designs that are both accessible for beginners and challenging for intermediate jewelry makers. So regardless of your background or your primary jewelry making discipline, you'll learn useful skills and techniques here. You'll also find lots of fun wirework components that you can blend with your own designs to create truly handcrafted artisan jewelry. I like to take a modular approach to wire weaving. Rather than creating complex wire jewelry, I prefer to create simple wire components that can be mixed and matched to create more complex and unique pieces. Each week I share a new video that will either teach you a new wirework skill or introduce a fun new wire jewelry design that will help you hone and refine your skills. Did you know that there's more to Door 44 Studios than just this YouTube channel? Go to door44studios.com and you'll find even more free wire jewelry tips, tricks, and tutorials there. I opened Door 44 after focusing almost exclusively on wire weaving for more than 12 years now. I've often been frustrated with the fact that quality instruction and suitable materials are kind of hard to find. So I decided to be the change that I want to see in the wire weaving community. In fact, I decided to start a wire weaving revolution. If you'd like to join the revolution, smash that subscribe button and come see what's behind Door 44.